Bonjour, this video is about Passé Récent. So I explain you about the difference, the activity that all those activity where we use Passé Récent. Passé Récent is talk about in simply way all those activity that must be done ago. मिनट सेकंड आवर इसके पहले हो चुकी हो जस्ट जो हुई है ओके नॉट सो फार ऐसा नहीं कह सकते हम कल हुई है अगर वो कल में चले गया द डे बिफोर और डे अगो तो वो चल जाएगा आपका पासे कॉम्पोजिट in hours only okay so this is a passe ratio so, but I had a question like if somebody would mention 24 hours so that would be considered a day but still it would be passe ratio or not no that would not passe ratio as one day as been taken it's like it seems to be your activity that's recently done the name is passe ratio like recent past okay how to format the formation of passive ratio we just need the conjugation of which verb one year okay one year verb the conjugation of one year is je je viens tu viens il vient nous venons vous venez ils viennent elles viennent okay so basically we need the conjugation of one year for formatting the tense passé récent. What else? These are the subjects that we know. Subjects. The venir verb in present tense. In present tense. Then de the. This is the most important because that will define the meaning of just. For example, I forget to use the. Then vanir will not give the meaning of just. It would be giving the meaning of coming. Okay? Yes, sir. So both are the mandatory part while we are talking about any activity that's just done. Then verb and the katif and infinitive form of the particular verb whichever we just did okay yes, sir. And you know first verb will be conjugated then the next verb never conjugate yes, it sir. Always in infinitive form would remain as it is okay so shall we speak what is written first is je viens de parler then 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 okay nous venons de regarder vous venez de marcher il vient de manger venir okay so this is the format if uh, I just came can't I speak uh, can we use je vais aller I'm going to go so that can be also possible because here the difference major difference these are to format the tense of passé récent and this is the showing the activity okay if your verb is starting with vowel then you will add d up you will cut out e okay and you will add apostrophe so I was saying nothing is starting with it only up except coming to so if you put abite so d apostrophe because that is also the h Okay, so nu veno dabite, right? Then this is that we done if the verb is starting with vowel. If it is negative, if it is negative, then before the verb we use na, and just after the verb pa. That's give the meaning of negative. Je ne viens pas. Je ne viens pas d'écrire. Can I put any somewhere else or pa somewhere else? No, that's not possible. The possibility, yes, the possibility is with only when the main verb is there. We have the main subject je, then the main verb is venir. So je ne viens pas. Tu ne viens pas, il ne vient pas, elle ne vient pas, nous ne venons pas, vous ne venez pas, ils ne viennent pas, elles ne viennent pas, right? This is the basic formation of passé récent in negative form, right? Is that clear? The infinitive form will be same as it is written. Now, if I ask something in term of interrogation, then you know in inversion form, vient je d'écrire. First verb, the venir verb will come first and then subject. So that is given. Yes. Of this starting two, firstly, any subject you have like je, you, il, n, who, if. So then the second is that conjugation that you are using, and both place you would be changing. Yes. And rest of the things would be having. Yes. So shall we have the exercises? Okay. Tell me the answer of first one. Verb is pouvoir, and you have to make out in passé récent. So who, vous pouvez, vous pouvez is present tense. I am talking about passé récent. What was the formation? Venir plus the infinitive form. So vous venez de pouvoir. They give the possibilities. Okay. What is the answer of third one? Elle vient. Elle vient de voir. Okay. Right. Can we have the answer of fourth one? Is it negative? Je ne viens. When you are making into negative, ne before verb and just after the verb. So, je ne viens pas vouloir. Are you missing something? The without the is not passé récent. Okay, give me the answer of fifth one. Nous ne venons pas de manger, right? Is that clear? Yes, sir. Is that clear? So this is the passé récent with all regular and irregular verbs. Is it possible we can have the same tense with reflexive verbs?
Yes, is possible.
So where the position of the reflexive verb can be come?
Sir, after the main verb. Sir, for example, sir, who, when is the and then the reflexive verb.
For example, I give you the example. Okay, your example is reflexive verb we are taking se reposer. Se reposer. My subject is, for example, nous. Just make out this sense. Se reposes to rest oneself. I want to say we just rest ourselves.
Sir, nous reposons.
Nous reposes present tense.
You know,
Nous always keep remind the rule. You have to use subject, then vanir, then the, and then the verb. So nous verb is here.
reposes. Sir, but according to the reflexive verb, sir, nous should also come because sir, nous, when the nous reposes.
This is very nice answer. Nous venons de nous reposer. Because se will be conjugated according to the subject. We cannot put nous venons de se reposer. That will be wrong.
I was saying that in the rule passage Récent, who told us that we won't conjugate the verb that would come in second. So, sir is acting as a verb here, and so here, I think so it would remain so.
It is same. It is same. Look, repose is same. We are not conjugating the verb. We are matching the reflexive subject. Reflexive subject is matching to the main subject. Verb is remain same. Okay. So let's see the detail. For example, this is the present tense that we do. Je me repose, tu te reposes, il se repose. Right? Reposons, nous, vous vous reposez, il se repose, elle se repose. Okay. But in future, my formation subject, then vanir, then the reflexive subject. So see, all the verb are in the same. Not.
I understood what is happening here. Making the first people just making it between here and here. Very.
In future as well, we do the same thing. Instead of we are there, we use je vais and me brose. If you remember. Okay. What will be the negative of this sentence? Very good. Je ne viens pas de me reposer. Brosser. Right? So this is the formation for negative. Ne before vanir and pa after. Okay, let's have the example. Ma mère se bin. My mother taking bath. Okay. Make it into passé récent. Keep reminding the main form rules for formatting the passé récent. Ma mère will be ma mère. What is the conjugation of paneer with mamer? If are you taking je? Mamer is my mother. It's not me, I. Are you my mother? So, so you just take the verb via. Mamer via the benne. Baign. Right? Wouldn't be the infinitive form? Okay. Give me the answer of this one for the third one. Third. Vien. 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 Very nice. So this is the Passé Récent that we have just finished. We just finished. That's all itself Passé Récent. Okay. So this is similar to future proche. Future proche was talking about the coming activity in minute, second, hour, and passé récent is talking about the activity that's just done in minute, second, hour. Right? Clear? Okay, great. Bonne journée.